Hello everyone, we are going to make McDonald's inspired chicken and rice. This how to make chicken stripes. I will put it on the screen. For the chicken tenders, you need flour with salt and chili powder. Coat the chicken with the mixed flour and set aside. When you finish coating, fry the chicken. Do not stir for 1 minute. Now we are done with the chicken. Now we are going to make the McDonald's rice. Fry some oil in a pan and put chili flakes, turmeric powder and this thing and oregano. Now add the cooked rice. Now add some fried onions and curry leaves. Now enjoy your McDonald's